Hey guys, good day, man. It's a great day to be alive. Hey, this is Jonathan Ribble. I am gonna take you through on another journey of Scribble Funnels and how to create your own website and create your own landing page. We're gonna dabble in funnels a little bit. I'm gonna show you how to create your own branded booking page. Yeah, your own branded booking page. Isn't that great? So, without further ado, let's dive in here. As you can see on the screen, guys, you know, everything that you see here has been done on our builder in scrollfunnels.com. This is an amazing piece of software. You not only get websites, but you get stunning designs already created. You get a funnel builder, you get a CRM, you get uh, I'm kind of I'm kind of cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over these appointments in the scheduler. Um, and you get your own store. I mean, there is so much stuff that you could be selling online, and you could have your own store without inventory. I'll show you that in a minute. No coding skills, drag and drop everything. Don't just take our word for it. In fact, let's hear what Paul has to say.
I know that you
here.
build a site, actually an e-commerce, right, on this platform, and I would like to know how much time you get, how much time you get actually to learn how to put the things together on the platform. What's your experience?
Well, first off, of course, I already knew what I wanted to have. But since the good thing about funnels is that you need the same features, whichever platform you use. So when you first told me that there's just another platform out there, I already knew. I get those ads all the time. Just another new platform, come join us, whatnot. I joined because you had good customer service. I like you as a person. I came in, and although being skeptical, just because everybody wants to have another platform and do things like those big business leaders do. It took about I honestly think it was about a minute until I realized that this is so much better than what I have been using so far. Mainly because the user interface was so much ahead of the other platforms. Even if you really take the top providers out there, I think I can't name any names right now, right? But it's smooth is one thing. You had a ton of templates ready, which made it really, really easy, which necessarily isn't the case for many other platforms. You usually have to buy them, and when you buy them, they are blocky, I would say. So I took just a template, changed a couple of things, and it took half an hour to have well, it's not ready yet, but to have a good page that I knew that I was going to use. And I'm definitely sure that just only because of the smoothness and how things are set up, the user interface there, I'm going to build all my next funnels and why not even web pages on Scribble as well. And that's before I actually went into and discovered what else you had to offer.
I know that you build a site, actually an e-commerce, right, on this platform, and I would like to know how much time you get, how much time you get actually to learn how to put the things together on the platform. What's your experience?
Well, first off, of course, I already knew what I wanted to have, but since the good thing about funnels is that you need the same features, whichever platform you use. So when you first told me that there's just another platform out there, I already knew. I get those ads all the time. Just another new platform, come join us, whatnot. I joined because you had good customer service.
Yep, and then we just heard from Paul there, and then I want to share what Janine has to say. So let's take a
Suppose
listen
for
from
somebody
her.
like myself, this is all pretty new to me. I'm not a developer, I'm not a designer, I'm not all of these people. But what I can see is actually probably my daughter could probably put some things together. It looks like it's quite easy to use. It looks like it's very friendly for us. You're using terms that I'm not used to, like block and just terminology. I think if I was able to get around the terminology, then I would understand a little bit more about, what this is all about. But actually putting it together looks pretty easy. Suppose for somebody like myself, this is all pretty new to me. I'm not a developer, I'm not a designer, I'm not all of these people. But what I can see is actually probably my daughter could probably put some things together. It looks like it's quite easy to use. It looks like it's very friendly.
I just love hearing that over and over again. We'll go back to this, but this is so easy to use. I can work with this platform very well. I'm blown away. This is life changing. But you get the store. You can sell your products online. You've got tons of design blocks. You manage your contacts with a free CRM built in. That's on all the platforms. You can add your calendar. You can control your website from your phone. Pop-up builders are a piece of cake to make. This is our report card, guys. With Scribble Funnels, we got an A. With other builders, they got an F. Sorry, guys. This is where it's at, guys. I'm telling you, this program will make it very much worth your while. So without further ado, how do I start? How do I get started? Well, you're going to click here. This little button says start for free. You're going to come here to your all-in-one solution for your site. I've already got a website. So I'm going to just log in here, and then I'll log in. Now it's going to take you to this page here. You've been pre-qualified for an extended trial period. Choose the best option for you. You can extend the trial period for 30 days. It's a really good way to take the thing forward. You can activate now, or just take you to the builder. So this is just an extra security steps. Just keep on moving forward. And then this is going to take you right into the builder. This is our builder, guys. Now, it may take you to a page where you can pick this type of site that you want. For instance, we have hundreds of we have websites and funnels. So if I wanted to create a website, or if I want to create a funnel, it's going to take me to a page that looks somewhat like this. It's going to ask you what type of business are you wanting? Your funnels, your lead generation, your webinar. If you wanted to have a live webinar starting, lead magnet, opt-in, appointments. Maybe you want to do a homepage, or make it your funnel can literally be your website. So it just depends on how you want to do that. And so let's just say lead generation. We can always preview one of these. There is going to be an opt-in, a download page. So if we wanted to say, skip that one, we're going to go look at, maybe we want to sell a product. We can always preview it. So product, checkout, and a thank you. And you can add quite a few steps to any of these. Let's just say home. Let's just take a look at that one. Skip the step, cancel. Wait, create a funnel, lead magnet, or home. If I hit this preview, it's going to take me to a booking. Then it's going to have all these different steps for services or sales or whatever. So you can, this would be for a doctor's office. Maybe you wanted to add that funnel. You can add it. You can name your company. Let's just put that in there and a phone number. And let's just say my main color is going to be blue. So go to my site, enter the site name, test 1. And then I'm going to hit save. And now it's going to build my webpage. See how it already just added my main color to this? And now everything is here that I'm going to need. Now I can take away or I can add things, but I can change the picture, change this background. This is an actual background. I can change the, I can do the background color. It's got a gradient, so I can change the gradient colors. Maybe I want this color to be a little less open or a little darker. See how I'm doing that? So you've got some flexibility there. I've got my shape divider down at the bottom. I can change this background. I can do a background color, background image. I can center it, cover whole area. I can add an overlay. So maybe the overlay color I want to add is kind of like my blue one. So then I would, now I'm just going to kind of an accent with that. I'm going to just get rid of that and get rid of that. Discard. So here's my website, book an appointment, all these things. Now, what I tell people is when you do this, all you're doing is I'm going to change my heading, my title there. Going to be a strong call to action or what this is about. And I'm going to enter a little bit of text about what we do, book an appointment, call us today, my hours, about your services that you provide, your doctors, so you can put your doctors in. This is just for a medical office, and it's an appointment. I want them to book an appointment, and this is be my funnel steps, my booking. I can go here. This is a service page. So these are some of the services that we provide. I can go here and maybe the service page 2. So I can choose which one that I want to provide in there. So if I don't like one, I can get rid of it. If I want this down at the bottom or back up. See, I'm just taking you through some of these things. Guys, you don't need a lot of graphics design knowledge. You can do these things. You can change the look of the button. So if you want a curved button, or you can bring it back to the way it was. If you want a border around it, maybe you want to just kind of see how that just changes things a little bit. But there's so many things that you can do with Scribble Funnels. Create your website, add buttons, add blocks, pre-designed. There are so many avenues to go with this. So you don't have to feel like you have to have a lot of graphics, or you don't have to be intimidated. You can have fun with this. This is your business. You can build your business literally. I'm going to show you how to create a page to book an appointment from scratch, guys. We're going to learn how to, I am kind of cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over this process. So basically what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to come here, I'm going to discard, and I'm going to do a test event. Here's my test event. I'm going to do next. I'm going to do next. 30 minutes. And I'm going to do next. Maybe I want to add some form questions here. I want to get their address. I'm going to get their city, because this is a medical office here, right? State. Postal. I want their phone number. I got their phone number in here. So I've got their, I want them to accept the terms. And then, because this is a doctor appointment, I'm going to, do I have any of the following? And then I'm going to edit that. So now I can list my options. So do you have any of the following? Do you have cancer? Actually, what I would probably want to do in this situation is do we'll delete that. Yep. I want check boxes, because I want to give them several options. So checkbox 1, do you have any cancer, diabetes, oops, heart disease? Just want to know. This is kind of a check-in process before they get to the doctor appointment. Okay. Now we can do, and it's going to be a required field, so they do need to answer if they have any of those. And then we're going to, anything else I want to have in there. I want to select a field, a date field. So date of birth. Medical history. Hit save there. We're going to hit next. Confirmation. And then hit save changes. So I've updated that. I'm going to come back to the builder. I'm actually just going to create add a new step, do a page. I'm going to do a empty page. So this is an empty page. I'm going to add a block. What do I want it to look like? Yeah, let's just And we're going to move it up there. And we're going to come down here. We'll probably just remove that button. Don't need it there. And then we're going to add a widget. Booking here. We're going to do the test event. And this is how you do the, so if I want headline font, so my form styling, okay. We're gonna hit save the changes, and we'll go here. We'll check this out. So here we are. So now we've got date, time, pick your appointment. So I'm going to pick my appointment. I'm going to hit 11, and then guess what? Medical history. I can check that. I accept the terms and conditions. I can enter my date of birth. So only trouble is I got to go all the way. I can always type it in too. 03. Oops. Well, you get the idea. Got to fix that here. But so many things that you can do with this, but I've just booked my appointment. Booking the appointment, you put your name, and then you accept the terms, and then you can book the appointment. Test event. Okay, so that's how you do that. But isn't that a lot better, having your own booking page than having to go to having to have another integration, guys? This is going to be, we've just created a booking. We've just created a landing page. There are so many facets to this. I highly encourage you go and you get a trial to ScribbleFunnels. Sign up today. It'll make things a lot easier. Have a great day.